Hi everyone, I'm Chanel from Stampin Stilettos, and it is Monday and it's time to let you know who has won the 2 giveaways that I had been running. Now we've been running one for a couple of weeks and one just over the weekend, so are you ready to find out who are the lucky winners? Now I'm just going to put these all to one side for the minute, and the one that I've been running over the weekend was for these 3 dies, and thank you to everyone who has took part, and I have all of the lucky names in here of the people that had took part. So I'm going to put my hand in and pick out a winner. So I can't do a drum roll. No, that was a bit pathetic really. Okay, so this is for the 3 dies. So we're just gonna mix them up, mix them up, mix them up, mix them up. My eyes are actually closed even though you can't see. And we're going to pick one out. And the lucky winner for these 3 dies is... Are you ready? Should I keep you in suspense just for a bit longer? And it is Alison Castro. So well done, Alison. Thank you to everyone else who took part. Now, my email address will be in the box below in the description. So Alison, if you could email me your address, these 3 dies will be on their way to you very shortly. Now the other competition that giveaway I was running was for all of these goodies. Oops. And there is also a oh look, here's, oh, Charles is here. Charlie, have you come to say hello to everybody? Come here then, good boy. He hasn't quite accepted the new craft out. Oh, hello baby boy. I wondered, oh dear, now it's not my camera flying. I wondered when you would come and say hello to everybody. They've missed you, you know. I know, he hasn't got as much room here to sort of lay and chill out. So what I am going to do, I think, is actually move some of these boxes. Gosh, nearly had an accident then. So that he can come and sit here and, oh, he's gone, he's exploring. As you know, I've moved around my craft room from downstairs to upstairs, and my other table was a lot bigger for him to lay on. So he's only just kind of getting the gist of, he's in my baskets now, and he's made all my camera all wonky. Charles, come on, Charlie ASBO, come and say hello to everybody. Don't be unsociable. No, 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 you'll burn your nose on the light. No, say hello. Say hello. I'm just going to take this off so he can say hello. Who's this? Hello, baby. You don't know what to do, do you? Oh, hello, sweetheart. You're not used to, I've got a big light there, and I don't want you to burn your nose. Have you come to say hello? Oh, no, 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 not on the light, not on the light. Come on then, over there. Right, okay, I'm so sorry. I've kept you all waiting and wondering now about this competition, but I thought that you would want to say hello to Charlie ASBO. Away from the light though, because you are going to burn your nose. Come on then. Okay, now there is a another pack of post-it notes somewhere to go with this prize, but I do not know where they are because I have put it safely because it was too big to fit in the box that I put all these things. So this is the other giveaway that I have been running, and there is a lovely little mini album for you to decorate. We've got lots of embellishments, a gorgeous stamp, some lovely bling, washi tape, and I have already pulled out a winner from the other names, and this is a separate ow, he bit me, competition. It's up to your normal tricks, aren't you, naughty boy? Away from, I'm trying to stop you from burning your nose. So this has been running, and I have been putting all your names in to everyone who had entered, and the winner of this prize is Nikki Angel. So Nikki, I think I have your address somewhere because you've won a competition months back, but could you please send me it again just so that it saves me having to search for it. I've got it somewhere, but everything's upside down. So well done, Nikki. Well done to everyone else that took part. And I hope you're glad that Mr. Charlie ASBO is back up to his tricks. Aren't you? Now you're sneezing because you've got some dust up your nose. So well done, everybody. I will be running another competition. I shall tell you all about it tomorrow because I am doing the March Madness giveaways. So we have more tomorrow to look out for. So well done, Nikki. Well done, Alison. If you could both email me your, don't bite, email me your addresses and I will have these on the way. And another thing, for those of you who have seen, ow, stop biting, seen my other videos, I am doing around the world journal with Gorgeous, and Gorgeous has arrived in Cardiff, and Jane, who has her at the moment, she's staying with Jane. You probably think I'm crazy because you don't know what I'm on about, but if you go back a couple of videos, you will see my around the world journal. It's not too late to still take part. Go and have a look at that because it's going to be a lot of fun. But Gorgeous has arrived in Cardiff and she's having a lot of fun at the crafting shed with Jane. So the Crafting Shed Davis, sorry, Jane, that's her YouTube channel, so pop over and have a look. She has got a video where she has Gorgeous on the camera saying hello to everyone, but please have a look, take part. I know I've waffled on a little bit too much, but Charlie kind of threw me, but thank you all for watching, and I shall see you all very, very soon. Take care for now, and well done, everyone. Bye.